Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So today we want to look at how you can, multiply your duration in your program in P6 using global change. Okay. So firstly, we'll try and create and transfer all our duration into a user-defined field. So just for us to have it back up. Then we'll multiply the duration. So just say you want to multiply the duration in your program by probably 2 days, and we have to see the effect of calendars there. So I want you to note when you're transferring duration or when you're multiplying duration in using global change, P6 calculate that in hours. So if your calendar is 8 hours in a day, you want to divide the duration in hours to get the right result. And if your calendar, for example, the calendar we'll be using for this exercise is 22 hours calendar, so we need to divide the duration by 22. So let's see how that works. So I've got a program here now. So I've got the durations here. So if you want to see what the duration is, so you can check it's in days. So our duration is in days. So all these durations are in days. So the first thing we need to do is to create a user-defined field. Okay, so you create a user-defined field just to to have a backup of your duration. So I'll come here, enterprise user-defined field. Okay, so click add. So let's say this is the last month's duration. Last duration. So you look for where it is. So this is it. So you want to change this to numbers. Okay, so that's what we're doing, numbers. So number, so close. So you want to bring out the column. Okay, so bring out the column. That's the column here. So you want to go to user defined field and go to the last month duration that we've just created. Okay, so I don't need this for now. I will remove them. So I've actually want to see what my calendar is. So it's 24 hours calendar, but if you investigate, just go to your calendar. Okay, if you investigate further, modify, you would see that it's actually 24 hours. Okay, if you want to see the detail, so you see, so there's a period here, well, a break period and a break period here. So instead of 24 hours, actually 22. So we have to take this into consideration when we are using our global chain multiplier. Okay, so close. So the first thing we need to do is to transfer all our duration into this last month duration. So actually I'll bring it close to each other. So I'll move this here. I don't need my remaining duration. Okay. So what we can do now, so we can bring your guns here. So what we can do now is to create our global change. So global change. Okay. So new. So leave this place empty. So you can name your global change. Last month duration. Okay. And here, what you need to do, click on add and say under parameter, say original duration equals to. So you say last month's duration that you've created, the user-defined field, equals to original duration. Okay, so when you do that, just click OK and click on apply. Make sure you highlight what you want to apply. Click on apply change. So when you click on apply change, it will bring this prompt. Do you wish to continue? Do you wish to proceed? Say yes. Yeah, so when you've done that, you will get this. So before you make that change, actually you have to see what you're changing it to. Okay, so now see what I mean. So it's saying last month duration, old value, there was no value there, so it's empty, so that's fine. I look at it now, new value. So this is 616 days, so we don't want that. So what we want is actually the replica. Okay, so it's multiplying. This is in hours, so but what you need to do, you want it in days as well. Okay, so what I will do now, I will cancel this change. Okay, so click on cancel this change. Yes, you want to cancel. So you can now go ahead and edit this. So click on modify here. So you now say operator divided by 20 custom, then you put 22 there. Okay, so that's the effect of your calendar on your global change when you're trying to do the multiplication part. So you can click on change here. It will ask you again. So you see now, so that's the new value, what the new value will be. And if you look at the old value, so it's the same thing. Yeah, so that's what we want. So just click on commit change. Yeah, and if you want to save this, you can save this before you commit, or just commit. I will just click on commit change. When you're starting, when you're sure of what you're doing, then you click on commit change. Okay, commit change. Then it will ask you if you want to save the log. So I don't want to save the log now. Just click no. Then okay, close. So if you look at it here now, you can see our original duration is equal to the last month duration. Okay, so there you have it. So one more twist. Now let's multiply. So if you need to multiply the duration by 2 days, probably you made a mistake when you're doing the calculation, and you have to actually multiply this by a factor, probably 0.5 or 2 days. So in this case, I will multiply by 2. So what we want to do as well now is we've got a backup now. We've got a backup of our duration, so you can go ahead now and multiply, okay, by 2. So you can see the variance. So just go back to your tool, global change. You can create a new change. So here, duration times 2. Okay, so we're under activity, so that's what we're working on. So leave this place empty. Just come here, just click on add. So now original duration equals original duration operator times custom 2. Okay, original duration equals original duration times 2. So let's see what happened now. So you can click on change. So you can see, so our original duration, the old value is there. So you can see the old value here. So this case now, because we had value in the old value as opposed to when we were doing it initially, when we were doing for the using the 5 feet, it was empty. But now because we have a actual value in the original duration field, so it was 28 and now it's 56. Okay, for this activity ID. So to tell you if you want to go through it all, but then that's the multiplication by 2. Okay, so that's the value. So you just click on commit change. It's come up again. Do you want to save log? No, I don't want to save log. So you can see now our duration has changed. You can press OK here and close. So this is our new set of duration. So you can see that from your program. If you have a baseline program, then when you press F9, then your program will show you, and you can see the end date has changed and the activity duration has changed. So there you have it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Cheers.